kujihusu sana about how the experience that I've had for the last 10 years, unajua. As an artist, zile vitu nimepitia. So I think hii ni song ningetoa ningetoa hii song 5 years ago kwa God Mungu, yani nitaambia mama yangu yani to make it. Only time si mind line moja ni kwa AIDS test. Lakini si kwa verse, si kwa concert, si kwa page. Hiyo line ile kamili nilikuwa nafanya some weeks, a month ago, ilibidi nikafanya AIDS test. Badi chacho nimeona tu kwenda. And then I saw, alafu daktari alikuwa ananiambia, alikuwa mama kwanza, ananiambia, "Hey, ukiona line 2 uko nayo. Ukiona line 1 hauna." So for 5 minutes yani amendunga damu hapo, alafu akaeka alafu na katia inagoja hapo kala ni kama moja, unajua. But nzuri hapo kwa katikio harakati yani, and then akaniambia, naona ikikuwa moja ikanipatia. So hiyo line ilitoka hapo. But the next thing I said about the people that I look up to, akina Mboki Bati, Samashuru, Boniface Mwangi, Kolimo, and those are the people at least I've been played a part in my career. Not as a musician per se, but as a person. So if they take their time in their busy schedule to sit down with a person like me na ku take time na kuwapa tea na tunapiga maraundi everywhere, unajua, and every time I call them they respond and everything, you know. If they can take their time to sit down with me, who are you? Why are you not recognizing that maybe I might be right? That everything that I've been able to accomplish for the last 10 years, maybe see looks, and it's not my looks. Si hustle fair, si hustle fair much. Nina aina zingine za shida. Na change flats, spare parts. Unaona? Like shida ziaisha. Unaona? Si ati I'm in a better place. It's only that maybe I have a different level of issues. Unaona? So I say that maybe I might not be who I used to be 10 years ago, 5 years ago, but at least but I have different kind of issues. Unaona? So everybody with every level na issue. The Pia also, one of the verses said, nawakilisha agony at the 90%. Kiatu inaruka sewage. Inakanyaga mahogany at the 10%. Unajua that I still believe in why I'm here. I still believe why I'm focused about why I'm here. Why I'm talking about why I'm using music to talk, and why I'm doing all these things that I've been doing. 10 million 2011, 0 ka gurudumu za trailer. No million 2012, 0 ka gurudumu za pickup. Difference, people before profit. Unaona? So when I talk about all the ideas, all the tours, all the initiatives, faith in isipo move mountains, usishtuke. God anatry kukuteach patience, uizunguke. So sometimes when things don't go our way, we always think that God ametuacha. And one of the things that I've learned so far until now, as a musician, is that patience, man. It's the patience. Take your time, things are not supposed to work immediately. Just because you're a good rapper, just because you know somebody, it doesn't mean they will help you. It basically just means that maybe wanna recognize that you're in the right direction. God Almighty alijicompress into a human being. Ni kama wave file to MP3. Without losing his truth. And that's what God alikama can do. Unajua, God came from his heavenliness. Unaona? Ma angel anamwimbia tu yani, unajua kila kitu kiko poa. Wanachunja matunda tu yani wakikula. Alafu anakama hapo bila lazima uhastle.
Yeah.
Unaona, na kama dunia, he becomes a human being for 30 years of his life. He had a human experience. Unaona, so that's what
na reduce bila ku reduce form, bila ku lose form,
bila ku lose his godliness. No, he was a human being, but he didn't lose his godliness.
Alikuwa bado ni Mungu.
Exactly.
I speak the word.